All right, hello again. So today we got an Asus. It's a gaming laptop. Model number is GU501G, and this came in no power. So as we plug it into the charging port and turn it on, and as you can see, nothing. No lights, no fans, no nothing. So we're gonna have to take it apart and see what's going on. All right, so we took it apart and we're gonna go ahead and check right here where the charger plugs in. So this is the first area we check. We plug in the charger, and this is the charging port. We're just gonna check for any voltage in here. Nothing. Yeah, no voltage in here. All right, so let's see if the power jack. Okay. So as you can see here, I'm gonna try to show you the voltage with me here. So no voltage at all. Let's make sure the charger is good. And as you can see, the charger is given 20 volts, but nothing is getting through the charging port. So that's definitely a charging port issue. Let's look at it together from inside. Okay, and as you can see, the charging port is broke. The internal pin should be covered with plastic, with like black plastic, and it's not there. So I'm gonna have to order the charging port, and I will be back to replace it. So here it is. Board is out, and we got the replacement power jack. And I'm thinking the best way with this is to go with hot air. So first I'm gonna add some low melt solder after putting some flux. Let me put this up here. All right. Let's add some of that. This. Here. Now we can get this out. Starting to move. There it is. The old jet is out. Please turn back again. Keep that going. With the new jack. And this is the replacement. Yes. Let's first get the solder melted. It is. And once we see the solder getting shiny, that's when we know the solder is melting. And we can start getting that rejack in. 10 by 10. Hold it a second here. Right. Let's make sure it's looking good, both sides. And perfect. As you can see, the jack is all soldered back in without having to go pin by pin. Time to put it back together and see how it goes. You see it's back together and back for testing. So we're going to plug it up. Alright, so the computer is back together. And we're going to plug it up, and we got some lights here. And it's probably going to come on just because we reset the BIOS. We removed the batteries and everything. So let's see. Seems to be coming on. Just waiting for the Asus to come up on the screen, and it's rebooting, of course. And there it is, Republic of Gamers. So the computer is fixed. I hope this helped you. Please leave a comment with any questions you might have. And the next video you'd like to watch, if you wish you have something in mind that you want to watch, let me know. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.